You are watching
ARP Agri Artist.
Welcome to my channel. Looking for cute, small indoor plants to brighten up your home? Today, I'm sharing 10 adorable tiny houseplants that are perfect for small spaces and easy to care for. These plants are not only beautiful, but also ideal for desks, shelves, and cozy corners. Let's explore these charming mini plants. Baby tears plant, scientific name, Soleirolia soleiroli. Baby tears plant is a tiny, adorable plant with soft, round leaves that create a beautiful green carpet. It looks perfect in small pots, shelves, and terrariums. This plant loves bright, indirect light and moist soil. Its fresh and delicate look brings a calm, natural vibe to any space. A perfect choice for cute and cozy indoor decoration. Mini snake plant, Dracaena trifasciata. A compact and stylish plant that is extremely easy to care for. It can survive in low light and needs very little water. Perfect for busy plant lovers and beginners. Adds a modern and clean look to your home. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides. Known for its cute, round, coin-shaped leaves, it gives a fresh and modern aesthetic to any room. Prefers bright, indirect light and minimal care. A popular plant believed to bring good luck. String of pearls, Senecio raulianus. A unique trailing plant with bead-like leaves. Looks beautiful in hanging pots and bright spaces. Requires well-drained soil and indirect sunlight. Perfect for adding a stylish and elegant vibe. Nerve plant, Phytonia albivenis. A colorful plant with beautiful vein patterns on its leaves. It thrives in humid environments and indirect light. Perfect for adding color to small indoor spaces. A lovely choice for decorative plant lovers. Haworthiopsis attenuata. A small succulent with a spiky and unique appearance. Very low maintenance and perfect for beginners. Needs bright light and minimal watering. Ideal for desks and tiny spaces. Mini peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei. A compact plant with elegant white flowers. It helps freshen indoor air and looks very graceful. Prefers low to medium light and regular watering. Perfect for a peaceful and clean home vibe. Button fern, Pellia rotundifolia. A soft and charming fern with small round leaves. It loves humidity and indirect light. Perfect for shelves and cozy corners. Adds a natural and soothing green touch. Baby rubber plant, Peperomia obtusifolia. A small plant with thick, glossy green leaves. Very easy to care for and perfect for desks. Grows well in indirect light with little attention. A great choice for modern indoor decor. Mini jade plant, Crassula ovata. A tiny succulent known for its thick, shiny leaves, often associated with good luck and prosperity, needs bright light and minimal watering. Perfect for a cute and meaningful indoor plant. These were 10 cute small indoor plants that can make your home more beautiful and refreshing. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri Artist for more amazing plant videos. See you in the next video.